Today we're going to take a look at the second piece in Lodge Cast Iron's Legacy series, the fish pan. Now this won't be just a regular unboxing video. This will be a comparison of the new reimagined fish pan with the one that was discontinued around the year 2000 or so. Here we go. Very nice. Very nice. Pre-seasoned and ready to go. Get that out. Very nice. Very nice. The first thing I noticed right away is it's much lighter than the other version, and I'll show you that in a second. Pretty nice casting on that, but definitely much lighter. I noticed a few changes right away, so let's go ahead and jump right into those. You can see right away that the side walls are much thinner. By making the walls much thinner, and just making the pan thinner overall, they were able to shave 2 whole pounds off of this. This thing is pretty heavy. I do use it, but it is pretty heavy, so having something a little lighter will be nice. Okay. Now, if you can look over here, on the end here you have 1896, year Lodge was founded. And on the old pan, there's nothing there. And here you have Lodge that is in the end of this, and nothing on the end of that. Wow, that's a major difference in how heavy this one is compared to this one. Looks like the model number on this one is 1FP, and on here it looks like it's now LFP. You can see that they have removed these feet on here, feet on here. I think this will make it easier for indoor use and some of the other uses that you might want, but you really don't need the feet on this. Other places I might use this are maybe on top of my Sportsman grill. You can definitely use it over an open flame, but most of my cooking is indoors, so this will probably get used on the stove top, stretched across 2 burners, or in my oven. You can see this here. They have this lip across here that they've kind of done away with here. It's funny that they came out with this, because for years I begged the staff at the Commerce store for this pan, and obviously they can't give away you know, a display like that, but I finally did find a vintage one. This one was kind of all rusted out, and I refinished it and brought it back to life. But now they have the new reimagined fish pan. I'm kind of pleased with their price points on the legacy pieces. This sells for $99. This is their first piece in the Legacy series, which was their Bundt Pan, or the Fluted Cake Pan as they call it. I believe that sells for about $69. So I was really pleasantly surprised by the prices on those. So, okay, along with this, you get these handles. And these are kind of convenient, especially if you're using this over the campfire, where you can just pop those right in here for easy lifting. So really glad they came out with this one. You can check them out at lodgemfg.com. Thanks for watching.